I think one of the best books I ever read is Jesus Christ, CEO. I think in many ways, Jesus Christ, the man, had the absolute best approach to leadership. And I think we got away from that, okay, with women's liberation, with some of the questioning of the values, the in God we trust nature of America's founding. I think people got away from Christ-centered leadership, and I almost think we had to hit bottom. We had to try some things that did not work that would bring us back to servant leadership. And that's one of the things that I'm particularly hopeful about, is that I think we are rediscovering the principles of Christian leadership, and I think we are trying those, and as we have more and more success with those, I think more and more people will adopt the principles of Christian leadership. So yes, I think we lost our way, and even though Donald Trump doesn't talk about Christ specifically, I think he's acting in a manner which causes us to turn the other cheek, to be our brother's keeper, to do the kind of things that Christ was trying to teach 2,000 years ago, and we either forgot maybe, or we stopped believing, and we had to suffer a little bit before we saw the light to come back. Well, thanks very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what you heard, please give us a like. If you'd like to see more of these sessions, please subscribe. And if you would like to see the full video, just click on this link right here.